Hi guys, I'm just gonna try a new little thing, like a makeup tutorial. It's just for fun, so yeah, here we go. Okay, as you can see here, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I am putting it in my Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. Okay, now we're gonna take Tarte Shape Tape and we're gonna put it under our eyes, on our nose, on our chin, and in the middle of our forehead. This is for highlighting purposes, and yes, this is the miniature bottle because we are on a budget. And keep on blending. Okay, so a lot of people like to do a technique where they take the powder on a beauty blender and bake under their eyes, but that's too drying for me, so I just go across my whole face lightly. Okay, so we don't want to look like a corpse, so let's add some color on our cheeks. Now we're going to take my favorite drugstore bronzer. It is Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and we're going to bronze the perimeter of our face. Now it's time for your free rhinoplasty. Okay, now we're going to take the Tarteist Glow Palette and highlight. Now that we've put all this powder on our face, we're going to lock it in with some setting spray. My favorite is Urban Decay's All Nighter. Okay, time for the fun part. We're going to use the new James Charles X Morphe palette. Also, please excuse Jackson in the background. Okay, we're going to start off with a transitions shade like I showed you, and we're going to do windshield wiper motions in the crease. Since I have blue eyes, I like to use purple shadows to make it pop, so we're going to dip into this one and do the same thing again. Now we're going to add some black very carefully so we can smoke it out. Let's add some shimmer to the lid. Now I'm going to spray with the All Nighter setting spray on a small brush and dip into my favorite drugstore highlight, which is by Wet n Wild, and put it on my innermost corner. Dipping back into our James Charles palette, we're going to do our lower lash line. We're going to take that hot pink magenta shade that we took earlier and just put it on the bottom. Now for the best part, we're going to take some Stila glitter and put it all over our lid. This is what we have so far. Now we're going to do brows, liner, and lashes. For our brows, we're going to be using a pencil and a spoolie. We're going to fill in under first and then work through the tail and to the top. Alright, we're going to be using a black liquid eyeliner from Milani. Now for the hard part, winging it out and matching it. Sometimes with eyeliner, you get what you get. Using Lash Paradise, I'm going to take my bleached eyelashes and make them black. All right, this is what we got so far. We just spent 30 minutes on our makeup, so we really don't want it to move, so let's set it with the all-nighter setting spray again. If you made it to the end of this, thanks so much for watching. I had a lot of fun figuring out how to do a video and makeup all together, so thanks.